This is a bonus video. The course was made for this design of the star, but I decided to give you a little more as a bonus, and you can continue to decorate the star to have a little different design, like this. Or you can leave it the way it is. It gives you a little variation. So in order to continue, we will need bugle beads, 3mm beads. I think this is 4mm beacon. And 2mm beads you would also need. And check Charlotte 15. So if you decided to continue your beading for a different design, then don't cut your thread, obviously, but you continue. So your thread comes out of the top demi-round. This is how you ended your decoration. The needle goes down through the Miyuki round bead, and we string 2 Charlotte 15 and 1 2mm bead. Go down through the 3 beads right here. String 1 Charlotte 15. Try to pick one that's a little fatter. And go back through those 3 beads. Pull a little tight. Back through the just added beads. Your thread comes out of the bottom for this row, and we go from the top. So the needle goes down through the 11 round bead. And go back through the same beads again. Then the needle goes down through the 3 beads here. Then down through the Charlotte 15. And here we add 1 Miyuki round 15, 1 beacon, 4 millimeters, and 1 Miyuki 15. string 1 Charlotte, and then go back down through the beads that you just added. Oops. Now the string came out of the bottom end of the Charlotte bead. We go back through the opposite end this is what we have. It's hard to see. Next step, we add 1, 2, 3 Charlotte, a buckle bead, 3mm bead, a buckle bead again, and we're going down. The needle goes up through the rose mantis. So here we turn the work so it's more comfortable. We have to go through these 2 beads if you can do one at a time, it's okay. 1 and 2. Pull tight. Then go left through this top Miyuki 15 bead. And here we add 2 Charlotte beads. And we're going up through the added beads, buckle bead, 3mm bead, buckle bead, and 1 Charlotte. And pull tight. Then you add 2 Charlotte, string 2 Charlotte beads. And here, skip 2 and go through this Charlotte bead that's holding this construction. And pull tight. And we will try that version.